Welcome back, dear bro Sarwar. Why you standing here? I wanted to go outside, but how I will go? Have a look outside and behind, raining here. That's why I am standing. Where is your umbrella? I forgot to take my umbrella. That's why I am standing here. Would you give me your umbrella, please? No, 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 bro. It's rainy season and rainy day. If I give uh, my umbrella, after that, how I will go? You can go when will rain stop. After that you will go. No, bro. I have to go as soon as possible. That's why I can't give you umbrella. Okay. Uh, as you wish, because I forgot my. I forgot to take my umbrella. It's my mistake. I have to get punished for that matter. And I will go after when will be rain stop. After that I will go.